Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy experience farm in Minecraft. First, gather your basic materials. You will need plenty of cobblestone, at least 2 water buckets, and several signs. Begin by building a large, enclosed, and completely dark room. A 9 by 9 block area with a height of 2 or 3 blocks is a good starting point to encourage mob spawns effectively. This dark environment is crucial for the farm's success. Next, we will set up the water flow to guide the mobs. Place water sources in each corner of your spawning platform so the water flows towards the center, creating a 4 by 4 block opening. This opening will lead directly into your drop chute. Make this chute at least 22 blocks deep. This specific height ensures that most mobs will take significant fall damage, leaving them with just 1 hit point, ready for you to finish them off easily. Now, let's build the killing chamber and collection system. At the bottom of your 22-block drop chute, create a small, safe area for yourself. Position hoppers directly beneath where the mobs land, leading into chests to automatically collect all their valuable drops. Stand 2 blocks away from the drop point to safely hit the mobs. This setup allows you to gain experience points and loot efficiently without taking damage yourself, making it a very effective farm. To optimize your experience farm, there are a few key steps. First, light up all caves within a 128-block radius of your farm to ensure mobs only spawn inside your designated area. Consider using a sword enchanted with looting 3 to maximize the number of items mobs drop, increasing your overall yield. Finally, regularly check your farm's efficiency and make small adjustments. Patience and fine-tuning will ensure a steady stream of experience and resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.